Hi guys, Mr. Rochester here. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you a nice simple drill and that's going to be really effective for you to use in sparring situations and competing, okay? Of course you can also use it in class, nice and simple. Let's jump into it. Okay guys, so nice and simple. All we're going to do to start with, of course, we're going to start in our boxing stance with your guard nice and high, okay? The first part of the combination, nice and simple, all I'm going to do is I'm in my boxing stance. I'm going to go for 1, 2 straight punches, and I'm going to use this punch to pull me back and lift up with a lead roundhouse kick. Okay, so just where you are, do it with me nice and steady. We go 1, 2, and I'm using this at the same time as I pull this back. Look, I'm pulling, pivoting, and firing that roundhouse kick there. Okay, so one more time, nice and slow. I'm going to go 1, 2, pull, and flick. Perfect. So all that we're going to do this time a little bit differently is when I fire that jab, I'm going to step into it, okay? So I start back here, look, I'm stepping on my jab, twist on my cross punch. From there I'm pulling, lifting and flicking. Okay, one more time with me. We step on that jab. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Okay, all that's going to happen is I'm going to do that a couple of times now. Alright, so every time I count a number, you're going to fire that combination with me. Ready? In your stance, on your toes, are you ready? 1, 2, kick. Very good. Okay, ready? On them toes. 2, 1, 2, kick. Okay, 3 more. 3, 1, 2, kick. Okay, I'm going to come onto the side now, just so you can see a little bit better. You ready? 4, 1, 2, pull and kick. Okay, last one. 5, 1, 2, and kick. Perfect. Okay, well done guys. All I'm going to do, back in a second and I'll show you the next type, the next version. Okay guys, so in this part I was going to do a very slight change, okay? So imagine I'm competing, imagine I'm sparring, alright? I've just fired that combination, jab, cross, lead roundhouse kick a few times, alright? So as soon as I come in with a jab cross, my partner knows, alright, that lead roundhouse kick's coming on the end. Chances are, the guard's coming up high to protect the head. As you can see here now, I've developed a gap just at my body here, okay? So what's going to happen is this time, fire that one a few times, I'm going to step in now, I go 1, 2, and instead of firing that lead leg, my back leg's going to come around, okay? So this is where my front leg's pivoting out, I'm twisting through, and a little bit stronger, okay? As soon as I land that to the front, I'm getting myself back out of range, alright? One more time, nice and slow with me. Are you ready? I go 1, 2, back leg comes round for the roundhouse, and then I'm out, okay? We'll go a few more times nice and slow. All that we're going to do this time a little bit differently is I'm going to step in on that jab, okay? So I'm out of range, look. I'm out of range. I'm going to step on that jab. I go 1, 2, from there my back leg twists through, and then I'm out, okay? Are you ready? One more time. 1, 2, back leg comes through, and kicks, okay? You can see throughout this whole time as well, my backhand's tight on that chin in case my partner lifts up and kicks me, and they're protected. It's just going to get my guard, alright? All we're going to do, we're going to go 5 times through again. Every time I count a number, we're going to fire that combination, okay? So let's go fast, go fast. If you want to go nice and steady with me, that's up to you guys. You ready? In your stance now. Here we go. 1, back leg, and down. Are you ready? On my count. 2, and out. Very good, okay. Keep going if you can go fast, go nice and fast and stay on your toes afterwards. Are you ready? 3, and very good, make sure you're stepping right in. Are you ready? 3, back out. Are you ready? And moving around a little bit. 4, out. Very good. Okay, make sure this last one is nice and fast. Are you ready? Are you steady? 5, and out. Very good. Well done with that one, guys. Okay, so all I like to do, maybe have a few more practices at it, but mix it up. So maybe go one time with your left leg, one time with your right leg. Okay, just keep mixing it up, and you've got to keep it so your partner doesn't know what you're doing. Okay, you want to stay unpredictable, and that's going to work out for you very well. All right. Thank you very much for joining us, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.